Audio Jungle.
So based on your experience, we'll start with you, Alex. What is the one technology tip you would give laundromat owners who want to stay ahead? If you had to just share your top one tip.
Look at what your competition's doing and be better. Have the newest equipment, have the best services, and always be ahead of the game, and people will come to you because everybody loves all the new fancy stuff.
Ross, how about you? Your best tech tip for owners who want to stay ahead.
Yeah, I mean, I agree with Alex. I mean, you just have to uh, I mean, the endless debate of quarters versus card. I mean, I would say at minimum be hybrid. It's changing. It's changed in every other industry. We've just always ran very far behind. So get ahead of it and look at what other companies are doing, um, and what you like when you go to other companies that you do business with. The laundromat's just a little bit behind on that.
And how about you, Nick?
I'd say the same as what Ross and Alex were saying. Um, I would even go a little bit further and just say, you know, ask yourself, are you in a futuristic mindset? Sometimes it's easy to get complacent in the old technology and quarters, back to what Ross was saying about the quarters versus cards. Um, Sometimes it pays to have like, maybe a different mindset of what the future will hold if you don't do it. Because as we've seen, the flip phones turn into the iPhone turns into this sort of thing. And if you don't stay ahead, you'll end up falling behind. And we've seen a track record of that in other industries and even in retail. So, I mean, I can go on and on about it, but yeah, just stay open mind, have a good mindset for it.